Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on see this gigabyte.com and this is search box to click, and after that you enter the model number which is you require the driver, and wait few seconds to complete. So now you can see you can extra motherboard showing, but click on exact B650M D3HP, then click on that. After you can see this new tab open. Then click on support. Select operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. So if you are using any operating system Windows and 10 but installations process same, so you can see this video and install. You can install audio driver, and this is side, and this is just download. After you click downloading, it will start downloading. You can see this is downloading start. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. Then single click to open, and you can see this is exe in extracted driver, so double click to launch. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it is automatically closed, means this is installed, and just close it. Chipset, AMD chipset driver. You can see this size and click to download. It will start downloading after you click download button, and wait few seconds, and totally depend about your internet. If your internet is good, so you can download easily and fast. And just it is done, and just open it and double click to exe. then click on yes. And it is done, means it is closed, means this is installed. LAN driver, so Realtek LAN driver, and always try to download the latest one. It is done, and just single click open, and now you can see the exe. So double click to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. So now this is installing. So as it is closed automatically, which is installations, so no worry, this is done. After that, restart your system. Okay, this is required driver.